Autodesk Vault can't branch. Engineers have asked for years. Now it can. Watch. I select an assembly and create a branch, a full tracked copy. I edit it, check it in, then merge it back to mainline, and the history stays intact on both sides. Nothing is overwritten. It's perfect for exploring a design alternative without touching production, running customer variants in parallel, or sandboxing an engineering change. And the demand is real. On Autodesk's own Ideas forum, branches like Git has been asked for since 2021. One user, the lack of branches prevents any serious use of Vault in R&D. Another, Onshape has it, SolidWorks PDM has it. Please, Autodesk, implement this. We're not inventing a problem. We're solving one the community has been waiting on. Branches for Vault. It's here.